यह चैनल केवल उन साधकों के लिए है जो साधना के क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं और हमारा एक ही उद्देश्य है कि भारतीय प्राचीनतम गूढ़ से गूढ़ विद्याओं के सही ज्ञान से साधकों को अवगत कराना है।
Purush Charan procedure. How can a mantra be activated? Before making use of any mantra, it is essential to get it activated. For this purpose, Purush Charan is done. Purush Charan means conducting 5 activities of a mantra, after which the mantra gets activated and shows its optimum effect. The first part of the activation process is chanting of the mantra. Second is Havan. Third is Arpan. Fourth is Tarpan. Fifth is Marjan. Now let's have an in-depth knowledge about this process. Mantra chanting. Mental or verbal pronunciation of the mantra attained from the Guru is called chanting. Mostly, chanting the mantra 1,25,000 times activates the mantra. But to carry out Purush Charan, the number of letters of the mantra should be chanted over 1 lakh. Whatever number of times one knows should chant the mantra. Dashansh part of the mantra's Havan should be done. Dashansh Arpan of the Havan, Dashansh Tarpan of Arpan, and Dashansh Marjan of Tarpan. When done, the process of Purush Charan according to the Vedic system is considered complete. Purush Charan done through this process brings about immense divine light inside the sadhak, and he achieves the ability to retain the power of the activated mantra for a long time with stability. Next is Havan. The process of offering the ingredients of Havan in the fire of the Havan Kund is called Yagya. You have to do Havan of Dashansh of the number of mantra. At the end, you have to add Swaha to the mantra to perform the Havan. Dashansh means 10%, means you have to do Havan of 12,500 mantras of 1,25,000 mantras. Next is Arpan. When you join in both hands, take some water in the hands and offering water towards the front side with fingers is called Arpan. It is done for deities. At the end of the mantra, you must say Arpan Mastu. 10% of the number of mantras done during Havan is done in Arpan, means 1,250 Arpan will be done of 12,500 mantras. Next is Tarpan. 10% of Arpan is done during Tarpan, means you have to do 125 Arpan of 1,250 mantras. At the end of the mantra, you must add Tarpayami and then do Tarpan. Tarpan is done for your ancestors. When you mold your right hand with some water in it and you offer it towards your left side, that is called Tarpan. After that is Marjan. When you add Marjayami at the end of the mantra and offer the water backwards is called Marjan. Dashansh of Tarpan is Marjan. These are the 5 parts of Purush Charan. After completion of this process, you can give food to a Brahmin if you wish to. Make use of the mantra after its activation. You will definitely achieve success. Today, knowledge of those rules is given based on which their success or failure is achieved. Thank you.